Month 1 is done. I've been running a YouTube channel almost entirely with AI. Scripting, thumbnails, video generation, scheduling, social posts. Here are the actual numbers: views, watch time, revenue, subscribers. No fluff, no cherry picking. Here are the actual numbers: views, watch time, revenue, subscribers. No fluff, no cherry picking. Three videos per week, Mon Wed Fry, on AI tools and automation for freelancers, AI handles, topic research, in-video autopilot prompts, thumbnail specs, metadata, social posts I handle, uploading, reviewing, and making strategic decisions. Goal: prove this can run as a real business with minimal manual time. Total videos published this month, total views and watch time hours, average view duration, subscribers gained, CTR, click-through rate percentage. Revenue from YouTube ads, still very early stage. Revenue from digital product sales, total combined revenue. Spoiler: it wasn't the content quality, it was CTR. Thumbnails and titles determine whether the algorithm tests your video at all. Worst CTR videos got buried regardless of content quality. Best CTR video got 3x the views of everything else in the same week. The lesson: you can have the best video in the world and nobody sees it if the packaging is wrong. Spend week 1 entirely on thumbnail strategy before uploading anything. Test 3 thumbnail formats in the first month, not one. Pick one topic cluster and stay in it for 60 days. Consistency and niche signals trust to the algorithm. Set up the digital product on day 1, not day 14, left money on the table early. First-person experiment framing gets higher CTR than tutorial framing. I tested X, outperforms, how to X, every time in this niche. Specific numbers in titles, thumbnails dramatically improve click rates. 3-week cadence gives the algorithm enough to work with. Month 1 proved this model works, not as a get-rich-quick play but as a real content business that runs with minimal manual effort. Month 2, I'm fixing the CTR problem and doubling down on what's working. Subscribe to follow the experiment.